Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by normalizing your clips so grading decisions are consistent. Set project color management, choose Davinci or ACES depending on delivery, and make sure timeline frame rate matches your media. Import and organize footage into bins and timelines, then apply a base LUT or camera transform only if it simplifies matching. Once done, use scopes, waveform, parade, vector scope, to confirm exposure and white balance are within range. This gives you a reliable starting point before primary corrections. You'll perform the core balancing with primary corrections on the first node. Tackle exposure by adjusting lift for shadows, gamma for midtones, and gain for highlights while watching the waveform and parade. This prevents clipping. Then set contrast and pivot to refine tonality and add overall saturation modestly. Make sure skin tones sit correctly on the vector scope. Use serial nodes so each adjustment is reversible. Then add parallel or layer nodes when you begin color matching or introducing creative looks for specific elements. Finish by refining selective areas. Use the qualifier and power windows with tracking to isolate faces, skies, or highlights, and apply noise reduction if grain affects grading. Match shots scene to scene using still grabs or the shot match tool, then tweak midtones and skin hues to maintain continuity. When satisfied, render a 10-bit master with correct color space and codec and review on calibrated displays. If you see banding or shifts, try higher bit depth renders, temporal noise reduction, or revisit any aggressive contrast moves as a key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.